Hi guys, I'm back with the new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you a legit way to increase money fast in FC Mobile. As you can see guys, all the options here in my account, and you can see guys the number of the gems and coins here, and I can buy anything here guys from the shop. So let me show you guys quickly how you can get this on your phone. So for that, what you have to do, just open any browser in your phone and go to this website apkcrunch.co, apkcrunch.co. Now hit the search button. Okay guys, now go to the search section of this website and search FC Mobile here. FC Mobile. Now hit the search button. Now guys, click here. Okay guys, so here on this page there is two buttons to download. First button is download for Android and second is download for iPhone. If you are using an iPhone, so click on the second button, but currently I'm using my Android, so I'm gonna click here on the first button, download for Android. Now guys, click here, verify and continue. Okay guys, so here on this page, follow and complete the instructions of any two offers below to finish the downloading process. So here guys, on this page you have to follow and complete the instructions of any two offers. You can choose any two offers guys. Remember one thing guys, offers can be different for different countries. So let me show you guys by completing one of the offer here. For example, here is an offer guys, score to have the chance to unlock special offer. Score more than 2 goals to unlock a special offer. Click continue. There are different kinds of offers guys, so click start. It's a kind of game kind of offer guys. I have to score 2 here, and after that some other things will open, so to check out that guys. Now guys, any kind of offer is unlocked there, so I have to complete this also. I have to follow a few instructions here. So the same way guys, you have to follow and complete the instructions of any two offers from that list, and after that you can successfully get this FC Mobile in your phone, and you can unlock everything, and you can get unlimited money here. You can increase the money fast. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye, take care.